Hi everyone, this is Rancher Banyon. This afternoon we're out here by the ArrowQuip that we are setting up, and it's a big job because these panels are very heavy. So we have the John Deere skid steer out lifting panels. Over there is Frank and Paul. They're helping hook the panels together, and by hooking them together with a pin to lock them in, and they kind of all hook together like a big puzzle, if you were to say. And having that hook the way it is because that way if you need to move it or kind of move it side to side or up and down, the pins are able to adjust. So here we're taking a 4-foot panel and hooking it to an 8-foot panel, and it will pin together from the top. And you can, once you pin, they can kind of go up and down and, well, turn right or left. So after that, you put gates in the spots where the gates go, and it all just flows, especially when it's all hooked together the way it's set up and designed as, where it goes into pin number 1, where you grab the herd in, and then you go into another pin at the end to sort them into the tub. The tub goes into the alleyway, and after that it comes out into a loading chute if needed to load them into a kettle trailer. Actually, you're getting a good view there of it on the side where you can let them out on left or right, meaning right out to the pasture and left into the pen. And this thing is truly worth its weight in gold of what it can do for cattle working. Here is the above ground view of the working pen. The first pen on the right is the large pen to bring a group of cows in. And then to the next pen at the end, where you bring them into the tub, where you sort out, let's say, 2 or 3 cows. Then they come down the alley, where you can stop one at a time to get into the chute at the very front there where it says Q-catch. And then at the very end of that is the pin to the loading for loading a cattle trailer. Here's a picture of me and Frank with the completed ArrowQuip working pen system.